Welcome to Zoho SalesIQ. This video will tell you how to add the SalesIQ live chat code to your website. Zoho SalesIQ is a customer engagement platform that can be used to prospect, engage, convert, and retain customers for potential growth in real time. First, you'll have to add the live chat widget to your website. To do this, go to your SalesIQ dashboard and click on the settings icon. Navigate to Brands under Personalize and click on the brand that you want to add the live chat widget in. Then, click on Installation and then on Website. Copy the code in this section and paste the same inside your website source code and publish it. Now, your live chat widget will be ready for visitors to initiate conversations. Once the SalesIQ live chat widget is live on your website, you don't have to worry about visitor engagement and support. SalesIQ also gives you the option of initiating voice calls with your visitors just in case. The tracking module lets you identify and initiate a proactive chat at any point of time. Visitor history helps you find out more information about the visitor on your website. It reports precisely which type of visitor visits your website, how they've reached your website. Best of all, this information is all stored under a unique ID even if their identity is unknown. With visitor history, you'll be able to recognize who your prospective customers are and proactively reach out to them. You also have the Reports module, which is a robust dashboard that gives you a feel of everything going on in your entire live chat customer support operation. You can use all of this information to scale up your sales. The aforesaid features are just a tiny bit of what SalesIQ offers for a business. We have a lot more in store for you with respect to sales, support, and marketing activities on your website. Thank you.